We are making scallops fried rice today. This is very delicate, so watch out. They will get gone very fast. My fresh lobster fried rice has been received a lot of positive feedback, and I am so thrilled to show you this fresh scallop fried rice today. First, you will get about 2 cups of rice. This is cold rice. I went ahead and separate them as much as I can. They should be able to be separated very easy. And I'm also adding me a cup of frozen vegetables. I got peas and corn, carrots, and green beans also. This is Fish Sauce Mama. Subscribe and turn on the bell for weekly Vietnamese Asian home cook and more. I like to add a little bit of green onions, or a lot. These are homegrown, so I always like to add some in there. Just finely slice them up any way you want. You can cut a slanted or just simple like this, and then set it aside. Also mince me about an onion. This is the best way I think I can do my chopped onion, and then set it aside. Whack me about 2-3 garlic and also mince them up. Ready to roll. This is going to be high heat, so everything is going to be ready by the time that wok or that pan is hot. I have about 1 pound of fresh scallops ready to roll. And all of my ingredients are ready. Very basic: salt, sugar, a little soy sauce for the scallop, and garlic powder. A lot of garlic powder, I love it. And ready to roll. If you have some chicken powder, be good. If not, you can get it on Amazon or local Asian store. Ready to roll. Add you some oil, about 2-3 tablespoons in a hot wok. Oh, I forgot to tell you to bring out your eggs also. Add in your cold rice and smash them up, kind of crumple them up a little bit more. As they get warmer, it's easy for them to separate it, and kick them around for a few minutes or so. Let them get a little heated, and add you a sprinkle of salt and about a half teaspoon of sugar, about a teaspoon of chicken powder if you have some, and mix them up because they've been sitting there for a little bit longer than it should. I have a pretty large pan, so I like to make this a nice looking, colorful, usually I will take them out if you have a smaller wok, a smaller pan. And I'll add in my frozen vegetables on one side, my garlic and onions on the other side. Let them go. This is still high heat, guys. I'm cooking with high heat. Add me a little oil. Add me a couple of eggs. Move them around a little bit until they're all crumbed up. This looks like street food. This is what I'm trying to make. I think it looks so beautiful with that white and contrasted with the onions and the color, the eggs, yellow, green, and carrots. I think it's so good. And once in a while, kick them all together, marinate them, let them marinate together. And then add just some garlic powder. Let me know down in the comment below if you ever had this fresh scallop fried rice before. I would love to know. Once they're all marinated, or they all marry to each other, or mingles and tangles each other and look nice and incorporated, look ready, this is the time you take them out. And add you a little bit of oil for these baby scallops. These are fresh scallops from a friend of a family. This is fresh from the sea. They are so good. And sprinkle with some salt, some garlic powder, and let them sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. When they're about a third done, that's when I will flip them. Flip them all and have the golden brown color. Don't overcook these, and do the same for the other sides. Right before you take them off, dash a few dashes of soy sauce and kick around for about a few seconds. This is the optional for presentation. I took out about 2 to 3 and transfer my rice back to get that flavor. Some of that soy sauce, you know, the scallop, and then I added my green onions for some nice color. It has a little bit of sticking at the bottom, so don't scrape the bottom. Turn off the heat and off to the plate. And this is optional presentation. I've done a mouth-watering scallop appetizer video that you can whip up in a few minutes for a party or just for yourself. I'll leave that link down in the description below. Also in my seafood playlist. This is so beautiful, so good, so yummy. Look at that. Taste time. This should be light, so delicate. The scallop should be just cooked and not overcooked. Should be still moist and not shrink up. This will go very fast. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did to let me know. This is a series of fried rice, so if you like fried rice, check my salted fish fried rice video out. It's coming out next. In the meantime, check out my fresh lobster fried rice video if you haven't done so. I will also do a simple egg fried rice for you. And my fresh pineapple Hawaiian fried rice is coming, so stay tuned. Have a great day and bye bye.